Hello, everybody. I am Lauren. We're going to talk about oranges and orange peelers. We need to start on a flight. We're going on a flight from New York to Italy. Boop. And this is when I studied abroad in 2013, I think it was. So I did my study abroad my junior year, went to Italy, was very excited, obviously so excited about the food. I was excited about the pasta, about the Italian food that I know of.
Yeah.
But what shocked me in the most wonderful way was a food that I was not anticipating. We can't even talk about that yet. It's oranges, but let me wait.
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert, it's oranges. But let me tell you where I went. So I lived in this tiny little town called Cortona. It was this beautiful tiny little town it was in Tuscany. It was between Rome and Florence. We had to walk all the way up. The town really was like right here, and we had to walk all the way up to the school, which was up here on this aggressively large hill. And in the town, like right around here, you can obviously tell exactly what I'm talking about. There was these really cute fruit markets, which I just was not used to. I'm used to going to a big old grocery store, but because the town was so tiny, they had these wonderful little fruit markets in the town. This was end of January, very end of January, beginning of February, and I was so excited for this fruit, and I picked up oranges, which I don't know why, they were just like so plentiful, and I was like, well, everybody's getting these oranges. I'm not usually a big orange person. And when I busted these oranges open, this is not the typical orange color. It was, see this right here? This is red. That's because they were blood oranges. These were the most fantastic oranges I've ever tasted in my entire life. Mm-hmm. I became obsessed with these oranges. I would eat like 17 oranges a day. My vitamin C was off the charts. I was so excited about these oranges. So excited that, side note, I was in Italy studying abroad at a art school. And one of the classes I was taking was jewelry making. And we were casting things with jewelry. I decided to take my orange peels, which I had so many of, and create jewelry with these orange peels. I was so obsessed with these oranges. This is the jewelry that I made. I made a bracelet, earrings, and a necklace. I did not take into account that this is literal metal that feels like a half a pound of metal hanging down from my ears. So I couldn't actually wear these earrings, but the necklace and the bracelet were very functional. So I was so obsessed, I made this jewelry so I could forever keep these orange peels with me.
Of course.
So fast forward 10, 11 years to last winter. These blood oranges, they're not as prominent here, but every now and then I would see them in the grocery store and buy them by the dozen. And it was blood orange season, and I found a bunch of them, also known as raspberry oranges. Same thing, same delicious taste. And I got a bundle of them, and I was eating them by the bundle every single day. You could see all the oranges, orange February. And I was eating them so much, but then I started to complaining to my fellow advocates, saying, like, oranges are such a pain to peel. I want to eat these so badly, but I'm refraining from eating them because I have to peel every single one. It's just not a quick situation. You get orange peel in your fingers.
The juice gets your hands all sticky.
It's a task. I just want to eat my fruit. Gosh. And our pal Anna here, the wonderful Anna, she's a queen. She mentioned, hey, have you ever heard of an orange peeler? And I said, hold the phone, guys, because I suddenly remembered orange peelers. I had known them, but they had just left my memory. They had become a distant thought. And when she reminded me of them, I was like, oh my God. I literally went to my cupboard, my drawer of random utensils that I've never used before, and I found this orange peeler in the drawer that my mom had given me when I first moved out.
You were sleeping on the orange peeler?
I was sleeping on the orange peelers. And let me tell you, I used the orange peeler and my life changed. Let me just play a little video for you. This orange peeler, you just slice into it, and then you use like the tip to get in there and get the peel off, and within less than a minute, your orange is completely peeled. You don't have any orange in your fingertips. It's outstanding. I don't know why everyone doesn't have an orange peeler in their kitchen, in their pocket at the ready. I did, in fact, order a pack of 16 orange peelers to start handing out to friends after Anna reminded me of the orange peelers. It's just a passion of mine, peeling oranges and really not getting my fingers dirty while peeling the oranges.
Lauren, thank you so much for advocating for those oranges.
Any day.
Thank you for teaching us about the orange peeler. I cannot wait to go out and get mine. And thanks for being here.
Absolutely.
Good.
See you soon.